Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going somewhere, bringing all these seedlings. We will be making or taking our part in taking care of the environment. The almost 800 students of Tayawan National High School is going to the tree park. Our school has its own tree park. Yes, it has 2 hectares of all trees owned by the school. And every year, we are adding more trees to our park. As of now, it has already contained big trees and small trees. And every year, we add and add to the area so that it will be maintained as our tree park. So all of us are going there. It's just almost 1 kilometer away, but since we turn around to the gate and move back, actually it's just the back of our school, but since there's a gate, so we move around. Let's go! So everybody is bringing their own 10 seedlings. Fruit-bearing, non-fruit-bearing trees are all accepted. If you notice the line on the other side or outside the gate, moving in the opposite direction, are the continuation of the students inside the campus, moving towards our tree park. Okay, so I think all of them are bringing with them their seedlings. This is led by the YesO organization of the school. Now we are in the highway. If you notice, this line is outside our gate. Now that's our classrooms right there at the side. And this is the highway. We just turn around. And here we are, just right there beside the Tayawan Public Cemetery. These are our area of the tree park, owned by Tayawan National High School. It is almost 2 hectares and contains thousands of trees. Mostly hardwood, mahogany, mangiums, and many other trees. And it is assigned by grade level so that we can monitor each students have taking their part in growing trees or contributed in growing trees within our tree park. Ayan. So if you notice, these are our tree parks. So we will get inside. Come on, come on. This is just beside our cemetery. This prevents the landslide here because this is a bit slopey. Okay, so we will get inside. You notice inside, it's a bit dark, so since this is wide, some of the students are proceeding to the other side of the tree park. So you cannot even see the sunlight penetrate under the trees because of the leaves of the trees touching each other. Take a look at those trees. And sad to say, some of them have fallen last Typhoon Odette. Many trees have fallen. That's why we replace those trees. So these are our Boy Scouts that lead the way to the students to their assigned area. So we're not able to try to look at the students here. They are forming their line and planted their trees in lines also so that they can monitor it. So in the first quarter, we planted. In the second quarter, we follow up. We have our tree planting in the first quarter. In the second quarter, we have our tree growing and tree caring activities. If it's already summertime, we bring water so that our planted trees will be watered. So this is the area of our grade 10 department. So those areas with trees away from each other, we planted at the middle. Okay, so that this will be occupied by new trees again. We did not even get 1/4 our tree park. This is very wide. Try to imagine 2 hectares. So you can see our student is flocking around and taking their part in planting trees. So this is the exciting part of our adventure every year as we take part in planting trees, taking care of the environment, and contributing oxygen to our environment. This is led by our YesO organization with the advisor, Mrs. Eva Vilnas and Mr. Ernesto Vintola. So they are in charge of taking care of the environment. So this tree park is donated by the government of Taiwan, LGU of Taiwan, to Tayawan National High School, and we have been taking care of this area for many years already since the school has started. Okay, so try to look at our students planting their seedlings in their assigned area. Okay, so how about you? Have you planted a tree near your house or in your area? Thank you so much for watching. And then remember that the trees are responsible for giving us oxygen to breathe. And in return, we animals are giving carbon dioxide for them as the raw material for photosynthesis. And so, it's a give and take process for plants and animals. So since these trees are very important for us to live, and so we will also plant more trees since our forests are declining already. Many are already bald because of kaingin farming. So for us, Tayawan National High School, we are very proud that we contributed fresh oxygen here in our place by maintaining our tree park. We will now go out. Thank you so much for watching. It's about to rain. We will go back to the school and continue our classes. Thank you very much for watching. See you again next time in my next videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe.